Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know again it's a different setup, but I just wanted to make a video and I was not getting any other place honestly to make the video. So here I am, and today I'm gonna share with you my current 3 favorite shampoos. Now I know in my last video there was a lot of mirror image happening because I was recording in a setup wherein my camera was connected to my laptop. So I have changed the setup and I'm directly talking to the camera to you guys. So now whatever I will be showing you, you will be able to see the right way. Okay, and yeah, I have these 3 favorite shampoos. So all 3 of them have been sent to me via PR, or no, actually 2 of them I got in PR and 1 of them I purchased. Okay, so let's get started, and this is in no particular order. I'm just going to show you randomly the shampoos that I like. Now if you have seen my yesterday's video, I spoke about Brulaire, their hair not hair, their scalp serum, and this is the shampoo which I have been loving, which is their caffeine shampoo. Now this caffeine shampoo has 2% caffeine. It has vital hair complex at 0.5%, no, peptide and vital hair complex at 0.5%, and aloe vera at 61.2%, and a natural cleansing base, and it is sulfate free. Now here's the thing that I have to say for the shampoo. If you have extremely oily hair, or you have applied a lot of hair products, this shampoo is not your best option or choice. But for a person like me, like every day I like to wash my hair just to kind of get the bounce. I don't use any hair styling like machine products because A, I don't know how to use them, B, again, I don't know how to use them and I don't have them. So which is why I like to use a shampoo that's really my and really gentle, and this is really good for that. Okay, so at night I do apply Minoxidil, and I will be talking about that in my next video, my my nightly hair treatment for thicker hair. So because I do have like straight hair, and whenever I try to grow it out long, it looks thinner. So anyways, I'll be talking about that in my next video. But in this video, this shampoo I'm telling you because I like to use this every single day, something just to sort of cleanse my hair. Now every day, almost every day, not every day, but almost every day, I try and go to the gym, right? And when you go to the gym, you sweat, and the sweat kind of ends up building up, and that can give you like clogged pores, hair fall, just give you those small bumps and like pimple type thing in your hair that you get. So that dandruff, so all these things can happen if you do not wash your hair after your gym or after you have had excessive sweating. So just use a gentle shampoo. This is one option, and it's a really gentle shampoo. Okay, so here they say, if you see their instructions of when to use it, they have mentioned that oil at night, then shampoo, conditioner. I'm not too sure what it means because only the shampoo has but I think it means this product is the shampoo, but I think they could do better. Like when to use, it's so confusing. Like, do we have to use all these things together? Because if you have to use all these things, oil, shampoo, conditioner, hair, scalp and serum, I don't think this shampoo is the right option, because again, like I said, it is not very, like, it doesn't foam too much, so it's good for everyday use. Okay, now my second shampoo, which I have been, and as you can see, I've used quite a bit. So this second shampoo is from Wildly Pure, their Calm shampoo, which is the anti-dandruff, hair repair and daily hydration shampoo. Now this shampoo is really good. It does not have sulfates, does not have silicones, does not have nothing. It is pH balanced, and it is vegan, right? Which is what you want. You don't, I don't know, I prefer vegan formulations. And when I say vegan, guys, I try and look for ingredients which are which are derived via animal cruelty. So yeah, anyways, I think I'll make another video for that, because I feel like if I get into a random topic, I'll completely derail, because I do have the habit of just like derailing and just going anywhere. So yeah, this shampoo is really good. Now this shampoo foams. Okay, so everyday using this shampoo is not a good idea. Now this shampoo is sulfate free, which is a good thing. Yes, I'm so sorry guys, I have a parcel coming. So yeah, this is a really good shampoo for everyday. This is not a good shampoo for everyday use. You can use this every, once in 3 days once you oil your hair. The shampoo is really good for that. Also guys, the packaging and everything is so good. I love it. Like, it's just very nice, and even their labeling and the quality of the label and all, it feels really good. And I tell you, this label has become like wet. It was drenching in water, and still great. Now my third shampoo, and this is the shampoo I have purchased, which is this one from Arata, which is their hydrating shampoo. Now recently, I think because the seasons are changing here, and today it is 30th October, it's Wednesday. So yeah, sorry about that. So because the seasons are changing, I think my hair was becoming more and more dry, which is why I wanted something which will sort of hydrate my hair. Because as you can see, I have not really combed my hair, but my hair is super straight, right? So whenever I try to apply a conditioner or something like that, it gets too heavy on my skin, right? So I don't like to apply conditioner, so I like to apply hydrating shampoos, and this is one of those. Now this one, can you hear, I have used up quite a bit, and now I'm giving my review. Also guys, all the products that I review, I use them, try them, and then I give my reviews, okay? So don't worry, I give you the true reviews. And if at all ever there is a product that I really don't like, I do not talk about it, because in barter collabs as well, you have the option of sending the products back if you don't like them. And you have to remember who you are creating content for. And because I'm creating content for you guys, I never want to lie to you guys. So yeah, this shampoo is genuinely good. It is hydrating. It moisturizes and repairs damaged hair, and it is formulated with rosemary, peppermint, and Indian gooseberry. All these ingredients are known for not tingling the scalp, but increasing blood circulation, which in turn makes your hair grow thicker and longer faster. It's a really good shampoo. Now the good thing about this shampoo actually, and a lot of people have told me about Arata being so good, this that, the first time I myself on my own choice and will, whatever, I have purchased a shampoo, and this shampoo actually foams and at the same time hydrates my skin, so which is absolutely amazing. Now this shampoo is hydrating and foaming, so I use this shampoo again after maybe once in or twice in a week, because it does foam up quite a bit. It is hydrating, but it does foam, and I personally don't like a shampoo which foams a lot, because sometimes I also have bath 2 times a day, because because of filming, because when I'm filming I try to keep the fans off and everything, and it gets really hot. So I might, not might, I sometimes need to take bath 2 times a day or whatever. And again, in front of the camera you have to look nice and stuff, so I do take bath more often, which is why I go in for a light shampoo like this. Now does it mean you have to buy this shampoo and this shampoo and this shampoo? Absolutely not. If you want one suggestion, I mean, all three are my favorites. Pick any one that you want, okay? I can't choose one, because I like all three of them. So this, if you want to, let's say you are buying this Arata shampoo, or let's say you are buying this Wildly Pure shampoo, whichever one, and you want to wash your hair 2 times a day. You are someone who goes to the gym twice a day, let's say, or one time you go to the morning to the gym, then you go to work, so you need to have bath 2 times. What you need to do is take a tumbler or a glass of water, pump out 1 or 2 pumps of the shampoo, and dilute it in a lot of water, okay? And then you use that on your hair, and when you sort of try to foam it up, you will notice that it does not foam as much, but it will still cleanse your hair of any sweat and gunk, all of that. So yeah, these are my 3 recommendations. I hope you find this helpful, and stay tuned, because in tomorrow's video I will be telling you my nighttime skincare, not my nighttime hair routine, and that is legit what has helped my hair become so much thicker, because I have straight hair and I have silky hair, which might seem like, oh, what a great combination, but guys, this kind of hair looks the thinnest. And even if I have Itnusa hair fall, you will feel like, oh my god, why is she becoming bald? Especially from these parts. Can you see? my hair is not so thin, but because it is so straight and so silky, it just falls down, which is why I am actually planning to also cut my hair. My hair is this much. I'm planning to kind of make it, let me show you. I'm planning to kind of make my hair something like of this much size. Let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think? Should I do that or should I not? And that is it for this video. I will see you very soon in my next video, which will be tomorrow. And I hope you guys are enjoying my daily videos. Yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.